Hello, welcome back. This is John. Thank you for joining me for another 3-to-1 e-commerce.net tutorial. And now we're going to be covering the work order app module. Let's just click on the, let's just close this one first. So from when you log in, you click on your apps. These are your active apps, the one that you've already paid for and currently active. Now the list of work order here, it's empty because there's no records found. There's nothing yet. So what we need to do is we need to add the category. First off, we always need to add categories so that way everything is in order. Okay, so now we put into categories. Click on here. Click on add new. There we want it to call work order tech support. What are we gonna call not tech support? We're sending people already. So on-site service. Our team on location. On location service, say for example. Again, you define what you have for your categories and the description of those categories. If you need help on defining what you need for your particular business, we also provide a consulting service. So that way we can guide you and analyze how your process is running or how your company operates, and then we can suggest and provide some categories for your process. Okay, now that we added that one, you can see on-site service right there. Our team on location service is the description. You can leave this blank, but it's always nice to know what you have for your category. Okay, so now that we have the category set up already, we go into the work order. Go back to the work order. Okay, now from here, we click add new. And so let's say the category, since we added that one already, so just type in one letter, and it comes out on-site service. And then if you need to put in some pictures, let's say for example, your workmen or the people that's working on site, they can take a picture of it and add it here. So let's say for example, item is on this side here. Okay. So the work order system can be connected to the ticketing system. That requires some consulting work because we need to identify how your company operates, so we can link on the back end the ticketing system to your work order system and vice versa. So for now, these are standalone systems, and if you need them to be connected, let us know. We can provide consulting for you. We can customize that for you and connect the two systems for your company. Okay, so right now we're going to call this one as the item. So item would be customer loss internet connection. For example, so that's the thing. So customer lost internet connection. Description, VIP customer. The description, additional description about the outage. You know, started 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago. Description 2 is that if you want to add in some ticket, you know, some additional information on how you resolve the issue or additional findings about the problem, you can put that on the description too. So these are on the technician notes. These are technician notes now. For example, like that. So you have that. This is also the same thing as the help desk ticketing system, where you can link your older ticket to this one. Since we don't have anything yet for this particular work order, so we cannot link back to the old one because there's nothing there yet. So the order date, when the order came out on the technician to go out. Let's say for example you click on today, 23rd. And say for example, the time is 2:18. Yeah, 2:18. And then order by last name. This is from the customer, so let's say John. With order description, outrage, barcode, leave that blank, and then the picked up date, which is now. Copy that one over there. Copy, and then the end date, you didn't end it yet, so you're still working on it. But this is gonna be the worker, so Joe Workman, Joe Technician, Joe Technician. Description, no information yet, so we can leave it at that. Again, this is all this is all depending on the way you run your business, on how you want to fill up all those fields here, and that's how you it is based on how you run your business. So this is open right now, it's active. Then we click on add. There you go. So it's open like this. Immediately you know who's the customer here, and who's the technician that was sent out to try and resolve the issue. Okay, so same thing with the other apps. App module, you can do a search here. I'm just gonna show you all the different search criteria here. You can play around with that. Click on back if you're done with it, or if you want to search, continue with the search. There's a dynamic search, which is you just add by field. So let's say, for example, you just want to search by I don't know, category. So there you go. You can add a category here. Yeah, on site. That's the thing. Okay. So cancel that one. If you're good to go on that one, you can click on apply. Otherwise, it's clear. And then it's going to remove the dynamic search column. Same thing as before with the other apps. App modules, you can set up the columns on what you wanted to see on the column report right here. Whatever's reflected here, it's going to show up here. Okay, it's going to show up down here. If you remove one, it's going to deduct that particular item. So it's a drag and drop right here. If you remove the description, click apply. The descriptions right here. Click apply, and it's gone. There's no more description. All right. So then we have the sorting. How do you want this thing sorted out? You want to do a category sort by ascending or descending. Okay. So item, how do you want to sort the items? Is it ascending or descending? So it's how you define your process within your company. So there you go. Again, we're available for consulting. So if you need assistance on how to convert your manual process to digitization, we're available for consultancy for that one. We're going to customize the application for you. Okay. You have the sorting, then you have the group by, you know, this which group that you want to group this in, and the report, order by last name, that kind of stuff. If you click on apply, this is what's going to look like. You have the order here, the date, and the order by. It's a secondary filter. Okay. So let's go back to group by. This one. Leave it at the default of the month and year. Okay. The summary, which is the cool part, this is where you see the graphs. The current graph is designed for categories. So you have the month and the year, and then the sub-level would be the category. You can identify how many work orders are done by on-site and how many work orders are done by, let's say, category B or category C, whatever category that you have. You can identify that here. So let's say, for example, you have 10 categories. It's just going to show you how many tickets were open for that category on that particular month, on that particular year. You can also have a pie chart. Well, let's say for example, you want to do pie charts. So click OK. There you go. It's going to show a pie chart. Again, this is only one ticket, so that's why it's not divided into any at this time. But once you have more data, it's going to be divided to, you know, the different categories. You can see there are other reports here, you know, a line chart. Show you what a line chart is. Again, it's just one dot. There's no other section here. The line chart. And you have an area chart. Again, you can play around with this one. Find your reporting style on what you need to see on the graphs. It's going to be here. And there's value sorting, you know, that. You have the height of the pixels on the report right there. Okay, click on cancel, and we're good to go. As you can see, you know, the graphs are opening up a new tab automatically. So when you're done with the graph, just click on, you just close on the tab, and that's how the work order runs. Alrighty, guys. Again, this is John for another 321 e-commerce.net tutorial. Until next time, bye for now.